cutting Chinese hair. Chinese hair. Wow. This hair has been bleached and dyed before. Natural hair color is black, and now dye the color to dark brown. Here is the strand of the hair. Chinese hair is very coarse and thick. So this hair, it's short, but if it's long, it can be a very good material for wigs.
好长哦，剪掉了。
Even the same person's hair, there are some hair which is coarse and some hair which is fine. It's really like our raw Chinese version here. Very strong, coarse, and thick. Here is the hair, and we'll try to do a test. And here is the root, and this is the tip of the hair. A great raw hair should be taped right away, so make sure all the cuticle is on the same direction. And once we get a hair model, how we tell it's raw hair or virgin hair or Remy hair. And raw virgin hair, there is cuticle, it's on chemical process, but Remy hair, there's no cuticle. So let's take a strand of this raw hair. Actually, you can see even same person's hair, same donor's hair, there are some strands which are very coarse, and there are some strands which is very thin and fine. So let's take this, and that's how to test the cuticle. And we can hold this and finger it from this way. You will feel it's bump, and the other way you feel it's a little smooth. And actually that's the way, because all the cuticle is on one direction. So when you touch from this side and the other side, the feel is totally different. And you can even hear some sound. If the cuticle is there, you can even hear there is the sound, squeeze sound. And when I go into this way, it's very smooth. When I go into this way, it's very bump. So that means here is the root and here is the tip. So almost non-Remy hair or Remy hair is not 100% cuticle intact. So there is a difference. And raw hair is also very strong. And you can see same donor. This hair is pretty thin, and this hair is pretty coarse and thick. Now let's do a burn test for this hair, and let's see how it works when we burn it. Okay. Wow. It's all ashes. It all come to ashes. Let's take less and burn, not so much. Yes. No, do it. Okay. It's all come to ashes. This is what human hair burn like. Wow, so many ashes on my hand. Finger. Burn again. Okay. All come to ashes. Yeah, this is how human work burning like. This is true virgin hair. Thanks for watching.